Hope, inspiration, dreams, Filipino creativity. Kareniya duduruting metong exhibit ami buklat king upper ground level ng Green City Medical Center king City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Apininiing Heart for the Art version 4.0. Hitting two birds with one stone arapin. Uling aparte king pamanyulong king kalalangan, makasaw piyamo rin ng art exhibit ka ring anak ka makipaglaban king sakit na cancer.
So we noticed during our first year of operation, maraming mga cancer patients na mga kids. And ang dami nilang needs na hindi totally na susuportahan. And then maraming cancer patients na from different provinces pupunta dito eh. So we thought of why not they be our beneficiaries. So every year sila yung nagiging beneficiary namin.
Aliwa mo ring obra maestra ring artists from the region di makapatinday Kenya, nunoy agyang ding gawara ring ibad, king miyaluwang lugal king bangsa.
Part ng Green City Medical Center, they have this program helping the patients of cancer patients. And also, ang kinaganda yung patron ng mga doktor natin ay sumasali na sa ganitong klaseng parang programa na makatulong naman sa grassroots natin.
Makakay kasi king love, makabalamutang, makatats. Kasi ding anak, ilay yung future generation tamo. So nung atin lang cancer or nanuman, nanong asawap tamo bilang henerasyon na datang na mali tamo iling artist din sa susunod.
Kareng bisang manakit at ma-amaze ka rin mga sating artwork, makabuklat yung Heart for the Art version 4.0 hanggang May 31, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
So we would like to invite Kapampangans to visit our exhibit. This is for the benefit of our Kapampangan artists and also of our kids who Green City supports, the Kids Cancer Fund. So hopefully, a lot of the proceeds of these projects will be maraming matutulungan.
Ako, ingke kayong talasuyo, Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.